Good morning, friends. In this video, we are going to see how to use apoklima, the concept of apoklima in share market. So before going into the video, we will tell few things which I have explained in the last video itself. Whenever someone is saying I am taking class or I am providing idea, suggestion, etc. in share market, you have to ask 3 questions. Number 1, are you trading or investing using the concept taught by you? Number 2, are you profitable and are you using your own money? Because when it comes to investing or trading, whenever it is your own money, then will be your serious. Everyone will be serious. If it is others' money, they will be casual. Number 3, if they are profitable, then show me the proof. That is the trading contract, which we are showing at the end of this video in all share market videos. So these are the 3 things everyone has to ask before attending any seminars conducted by anyone. This is to protect our money, because shares are has always risk, so you have to be cautious because it is our own money. So that's why we are repeating this again and again. So now, who are not subscribed to this channel, we request them to kindly subscribe and also press the bell button, all notification, so that whenever we post a video, you will get notified. Now we'll go to the video. Here, apoklima, it has 2 types. One is apoklima houses, another is apoklima degrees. Apoklima houses means 3, 6, 9, 12 from our ascendant. So what are the lords? We have to note it down. Those are the planets who are called as apoklima lords in our natal chart. Next is apoklima degrees. We have also given in the above image, that is 5 to 7:30, 12:30 to 15, then 20 to 22:30, then 27:30 to 30. These are the apoklima degrees. We are going to use these things in stock market, and how we made profit using this concept. We will be explaining this in this video. In the above natal chart, third house is apoklima house, that is moon. It is placed in Lagna, but it is placed at 28 degrees. So apoklima planet is placed in apoklima degree. So the rule is, whenever apoklima planet is placed in apoklima degree or house, it will give Raja Yoga. So here apoklima planet is moon, which is placed at 28 degrees. So 28 degrees is apoklima. So it is a good planet. Now the planet is selected. Now the day. On the right side, we have given the transit chart. In that, moon on 13/5/2020, moon is transiting in his own star Shravan. Now it is transiting at 13 degrees, which is also apoklima degree, and it is also transiting in 9th house to natal Lagna. The Lagna is Rishabha. From there it is 9th house. So all apoklima is conjoined here. It is transiting in the constellation of apoklima planet and apoklima degree and apoklima house. So 3 factors are in favor of us. So that is the lucky day. That is the first thing. Next, we have to select sector. So in this, the moon navamsha will be used for selecting the sectors. So 13 degree means it will be in Aries. So Aries has lot of sectors. We will see just 2 among them. One is agriculture, fertilizers, and also agrochemicals. So we have selected a share called UPL, United Phosphorus Limited, which is one of the largest manufacturer of agrochemicals. So this is how we have to select the sector. Aries has lot of sectors to be selected. We will explain them one by one with examples, and also for all 12 signs, so that we need not memorize. Whenever we study with example, it will be easy to remember. So now the sector is selected. Now the preferable Lagna will be moon, that is Cancer, because that is apoklima planet. So the time entered was 10:37:11 seconds. So in the next slide, you can see you are given the chart of United Phosphorus Limited and the entry time and also exit time. So at that time the Lagna was Cancer. And also we have mentioned the return of 10% using the leverage concept. Persons who are in markets know what is leverage. So we have given the entry time, exit time and everything. So these are the contracts from NSE. So if you want to cross check, you can check what is the price at that time in NSE website or your own softwares. So this is how you have selected a lucky planet and a lucky day and the suitable sector to trade. If you have gone long here, that is bought, buy. Why? Because the trend is up, trend of the overall market. So we can also predict the trend of the market, whether up or down, long or short. We have to go using certain techniques that also will explain in the coming days. Most probably in the classes. So once that is decided, you know the lucky planet, lucky day, correct sector and the lagna, and also whether you have to buy or sell. So these things are finalized. So now you can make a profit out of it. And in the next page, the next image, we have shown the trading contract. We can go through that. And most of you are asked question how to select sectors and how to what time to enter, what time to exit. These are the things which are to be used along with technical analysis. So we are trying to post separate videos for technical analysis. We will try to do as soon as possible. So when both are integrated, it is a good combination. The success ratio is very high. So we will be uploading the same in the coming days. So whenever you have any doubts in this post, just comment, and also you can send WhatsApp. Whenever you post in comments, we will try to reply in 2 to 3 days. The queries in WhatsApp will be answered in the weekends. So thanks for your continued support. So don't forget to ask the 3 questions which you have mentioned at the beginning of the post and keep following us. Thanks for your support. Take care. Bye.